Welcome Arun and Viresh, and we are very glad to have you as our esteemed speakers for this year's conference, Global Testing Retreat, which is also the fifth edition of the conference. So, can I request you guys to introduce yourself? Whoever would like to go first.
We follow the chronological order. Arun, you first.
Yeah, thanks, Viresh. Quick introduction from my end. I'm Arun. I'm a director of engineering at Amadeus. I take care of few internal products which help in developer experience within the organization. So it's sort of a hot topic because anything that we do helps each and every developer within the organization. When I say a developer, a tester, a product owner, any employee within the organization to be more efficient and is able to deliver things fast. My prior experience comes in retail and banking. I have moved into a product organization and have been with Amadeus for close to 3 years now.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Arun. So, Viresh, can you just say something about yourself?
Yes. So I'm Viresh, 18 years of industry experience and 40 years of life experience. I have worked in the various industries starting from enterprise resource planning, ERP, network management system, credit card systems, and then the travel technology. My longest tenure has been with travel. It's been more than a decade of my association with Amadeus now. So I love technology, my passion towards technology, and that helps me to leverage the strengths of my group to deliver a very customer focused or customer centric products. I manage a group which is like a heart of Amadeus, as highly scalable. So that's why I call if someone is traveling, I'm responsible. If someone is not traveling, even then I'm responsible, apart from the COVID situation. That's me.
That sounds interesting, Viresh. So it's like in COVID, no one is traveling.
So I'm not responsible for that. But
Okay.
we are trying to use the technology to say how we can bring back the confidence in the customers or the travelers so that
Yes,
things come back
yes.
normal.
So that's the need of the hour, Viresh. So I
Yes.
think you are doing a fantabulous job in that thing. So moving on to the topic, Arun and Viresh, I believe it's thunderous testing in the cloud transformation journey. So that's your topic, I believe, for this year's conference. So can you guys say something more on the topic and what would be the key takeaways which the participants would have after your session?
Yep.
Arun.
So it's pretty simple. I mean, the cloud evolution is no longer a thing that's an option for organizations, right? So the organizations are moving rapidly onto the cloud, or they have already evolved onto the cloud. What it also means, the day-to-day working or operations in the cloud is very different from when it's managed on prem or when it's managed on, say, a co-located servers, right? So this basically is a talk that covers aspects of how the tester's journey has changed, or what do they need to rethink, or the way they need to think differently for them to be successful in the cloud journey. That's the prime focus at a very high level, Harsh.
Thank you so much, Arun. So, Viresh, would you like to add something to what Arun has just said?
Yeah, see, we'll talk about the literature, we'll talk about the challenges that the industry is going through and how this shift in this kind of a technology transformation is happening in. And we will also go through a case study. It's a practical case study that we have gone through in the organization and showcase that what is the mindset shift and the skill set shift which is required to go and what are the key takeaways that the participants could take it. And we are pretty sure at the scale in which we operate in our organization and the changes that we have seen, it is going to help them and help them a lot in the other organizations and the teams.
Thank you so much, Arun and Viresh. And I think your session would be really insightful, and since you are presenting a case study as well. And I think cloud is something has become a default kind of a thing, and everyone is looking in that area, and everyone wants their presence in cloud. So it's like, as Arun mentioned, whether it's on premise or something not on premise, but it's like everyone wants to have their presence in
Mm.
the cloud technology so that they can leverage the benefits which is there from this technology. Yeah. So moving ahead, Arun and Virish. So I was just interacting with Arun, and he mentioned that you guys read a lot. Read a lot. So it's like, would you like to share something on that? Which is your favorite book or a favorite author? Something on that side?
It's surprising when you say we read a lot. Yes, it's something of a new habit I have picked up. I would rather not read any books because I never got excited with them. But in the recent past, I have picked up that habit and it keeps me going. One of the recent books which I have read is *Sapiens*. It's a fabulous bridge between history, data, the way it's represented, and then the story along with it. So it's something that keeps it's like a page turner, which I really love.
Yes, Arun. So it's like I have been through that book, so by Yuval Noah Harari, I suppose,
Yes.
and that translates the amazing journey that the mankind has had through thousands of years, I suppose, right from the earliest times to the current times. He has summarized things very well, I think.
Yep, absolutely. I mean, I've read his next book as well, which is the Homo Deus, which is equally good, but the first one is just fabulous.
Okay, I'm yet to pick up his second one then. Yeah. So, Virish, would you like to add something on your side? It's like your favorite book or your author?
Yeah. Before that, you said we read a lot. So we used to read a lot of minds in the people as part of the leadership role, but we also picked up the habit of reading books. So earlier, I used to read just the newspaper. The way in which I started was looking at a sports column, business column. Then I started reading habit. So then once I picked up the habit of reading, it's like contagious. It doesn't allow you to go. So my favorite books, which I say is Who Moved My Cheese, A Catalyst, and then the recent one is on the Atomic Habits. So Atomic Habits, it tells you for any large thing or the big thing to happen, a transformation to happen, you have to start small. You have to start small and try and see how it goes. So I strongly recommend these three books. It has transformed me, and I feel that everyone will enjoy this.
Completely agreed, Virish. So it's like on the Atomic Habits side, I came across this very recently. So I also read a lot, and I'm a fond of reading. So I came across this book by James Clear, if I'm recollecting the author correctly. And you rightly mentioned that for big things or big changes to happen, you have to start small. So it's like the small things that you have to take care, and the rest of the big things will fall into place automatically.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Videsh, on sharing your experiences on that side. So, Arun, moving ahead, I would like to ask you that you come across a lot of experience in the industry now. So, it's like one question which I would like to ask you that who is or who was your favorite boss or leader that you have worked with? Would you like to share some experience on that side?
Yeah, it's a tricky question, and the way I would answer is I won't pick a boss. Every boss, you have something to learn from everyone, be it your boss or be it a person who reports into you or be it a person who works along with you. The inspiration is in the journey that they have taken and understanding the hardships that they have gone through and what have they really done during those times. Every boss in the past has given me some kind of an inspiration. The current boss is a very people oriented person. The prior boss was more focused towards goals. The one before was philosophical, but the way I would learn things from him is to bridge the gap between what comes from the customers to what you deliver as a product and technology, right? So there are always bosses you learn from. It's the bosses that you don't learn from is the problem, and I'm fortunate that I have not had any of those.
Thank you so much, Arun, for that. So you answered it beautifully. Even the question was a bit tricky, but you answered it well. So thank you so much for that. So Viresh, coming to you, I would not ask you the same question or put you in
Yeah.
a spot. So, so I'd like to ask you that on a different note, who is your favorite actor or would you like to share something on that side?
Yeah. Okay. The favorite actor, the whole world knows me, whoever knows me, it's Shah Rukh Khan. Few things. One, with extreme hard work that puts in place, it resonates with how I am, and the commitment and the dedication that he has. He's completely a family man. He's very versatile. He's very people-oriented perspective. He's one of the inspirations that I have seen him right from my childhood into this. So it's Shah Rukh Khan, not only for the romance, but all other things.
So Shah Rukh Khan as a personality, not just with films. So everything with SRK.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Videsh, for adding that. So one final question for you guys before I let you go. So you have been working and you have a lot of experience. So Videsh, you mentioned that you have 18 plus years of experience, if I'm correct, and 40
Yep.
years of life experience. And Arun has a good experience as well in the industry. So what keeps you going on a daily basis? So what is the thing that keeps you going every day, every morning? So a question to both of you guys.
So
Yeah,
every
let me-
day morning,
Viresh, go ahead.
I get up. I like to see the challenges that I could solve for the people around and for the work or the products that I work on or the customers, right? With all the knowledge and the experience that I have gained so far, I would like to see that how I could leverage that in resolving the issues, and how every day morning I get up, I say that what is new, something that I could learn, and that keeps me going.
Thank you so much, Videsh. Arun, would you like to add something on your side?
Yep, I think Veeresh summarized it well. It's the day-to-day challenges that motivates. You have to wake up to a challenge and sleep with a content that you have solved something either for yourself, for the customers, for your team. If you have not solved anything, if you've just waded through the day, that's not an excitement that I'm looking for. So it's about what you have achieved through the day is ending the day with a good sleep and waking up with a fresh challenge on a day-to-day basis keeps the day rotating.
Very well summarized, Arun and Viresh. So we are glad to have you guys as our esteemed speakers for this conference. And on behalf of the entire team, I would like to welcome you once again. And we are really looking forward for your session. Thank you so much for your time.
Yep, thanks,
Thank you.
Harsh. It'll be a pleasure for us to speak to the audience as well. And hopefully they can take away things that we have learned through our careers and through our journeys, and they would probably be able to implement it in their careers as well.
Certainly, I think there will be a lot of learnings which the audience would take from your session. We are
Thanks.
really looking forward for your session. Thank you.